Hey, Bob.
Quite an interesting move at the open, and I think this is largely because Ms. Pelosi has been making comments that are positive for the stimulus. I just want to show you, and we opened at 33.23, Carl. You're absolutely right. This is quite a move up just in a few minutes. I just want to show you overnight on the futures. See how fast things react? Just before 12:50 a.m. Eastern time is when we got the news, and we dropped 50 points in 10 minutes, and in very quick stair-step declines, about 10 points each, just down, down, down. This suggests Art Cashin's comment that there are sell stops just below the market that are very, very tight, and they'll sell. They hit one level, they'll sell, and then they find a level down about 50 points below that. What else is going on here? You see that move up here just since the open, nice move up since the open. I believe that is primarily on the comments made on stimulus. So the question is, does this news about the president materially change the prospects for stimulus? Why the obsession with stimulus? Because stimulus is important because it's viewed as offsetting many of the layoffs that are being announced. We're hearing about not just in the airlines, but across industries. Houghton Mifflin announced layoffs today. So the question is, are the chances for a stimulus deal higher today or not? Pelosi has been talking this morning, indicating that the chances may, in fact, be increasing, and that's good news. You see the travel and leisure stocks down here today. They're weak on days when the reopening story is not going well. This happens when there's concerns that another wave of reinfections might occur. And so what does this mean? It suggests to me that the president's diagnosis is raising awareness of concerns of a secondary wave of infections. Maybe it'll go away in a few days, but that's what the market is saying today, raising awareness of concerns about secondary waves of infections here. As for sectors, tough on energy. What day is not tough on energy, but we're 5% down on oil, so that's leading to the downside. Tech's also weak. Banks are weak. And you see more defensive sectors like healthcare and consumer staples, while they're down, there is a relative outperformance. Mega cap down, but they're well off of it. Apple opened down 3%. It's now down a little less than that, 2.25%, as you see right there. And all of these stocks opened down between 1% and 2% and are off of their lows. That's the main story. So where are we right now? The president's illness is now creating even more uncertainty for a market that's got a lot of it already. So in terms of the elections, I would say we have new uncertainty. Not uncertainty yesterday. We were talking about the outcome uncertainty. Now we have uncertainty even on the campaign and on the debates, if you put up that full screen. As for the stimulus, well, you see this morning, stimulus progress or hopes of it is moving the markets. That's the primary mover right now for the markets. As for the reopening story, we have layoffs, which is not good news, but we have it against some good economic data earlier in the week and mixed data later in the week on the economic front. So not clear there on the reopening story. Treatment and vaccine, I would say progress for sure. There are people who have hopes for some phase 3 trial results, maybe in the next few weeks.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.